All right, so I just wanted to show this quick video of something different that had happened to the YouTube homepage. And what it is you can see on this side here that it's split it into different categories. Like you can see here which type of video it is. It's from Lon, it's from Level 1 Techs, it's from Liron, recommended. And then another one from Kevin, and then recommended. Recommended from Tech Yes, recommended. So it's showing the order of how they're being sent to me, and I thought that's really weird. But then I did a refresh and I got back to this original one over here. So this is the old one, this is the new one that I'd reported on, and this one here is the different one that I'm not quite sure where it came from. So anyway, I just wanted to share that quickly with you. I'll just do a quick refresh on this one and see. Yeah, see, that's gone back to the old way. But yeah, as soon as I went to home, like I literally just clicked home like that, and then it came up with this layout here. So yeah, I'm not quite sure why, but anyway, I'll upload it and yeah, show you guys and see if you have any ideas on what it might be. Cool, see ya.